Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemon probiotic drink. Begin by gathering lemons, filtered water, a starter culture, and clean jars. Wash fruits and equipment thoroughly, then juice lemons and strain seeds. Mix lemon juice with room temperature water, add your starter, and stir gently. Cover with a breathable lid and ferment at a steady warm spot until bubbly and tangy. Taste periodically until balanced for you, then refrigerate. Start by juicing lemons and measuring water and sweetener if using one. Dissolve sweetener fully in water to feed probiotics evenly, then cool to room temperature before adding starter. Add your chosen starter carefully, following quantities that match your batch size, and stir to combine. Pour the mixture into a clean jar, leaving headspace, and seal with a breathable cover. Place jar in a warm spot, and let natural fermentation develop flavors and beneficial bacteria. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker as a cheerful kitchen companion for timers and music, and it pairs nicely while you wait for ferments. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you like. Thanks for listening, and now let's get back to the video. Monitor your ferment closely during the first days because activity varies with temperature and starter strength. Taste the drink every 12 to 24 hours to check acidity, sweetness, and effervescence, and decide when it suits you. If you prefer more fizz, let it ferment slightly longer, and if too tart, shorten the time next batch. Once you reach the desired balance, refrigerate to slow fermentation and enjoy chilled pours over ice or mixed into other beverages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.